Teamhood has become the preferred project management tool among civil and industrial engineers. And there are 3 reasons why project managers choose Teamhood over Microsoft Project or others. 1. It is much better at visualizing plans. 2. It is not just for planning, but a real collaboration tool. And 3. It delivers insights on how to perform better. The planning of a project starts with a Gantt chart, dividing a project into stages, listing tasks, planning tasks to meet project deadlines, setting dependencies, assigning team members, and adding estimations. But how can we know the team will manage their work? We use the workload view to identify signals of potential overload and balance the workload for the entire team. When the project is started, it must be followed up. Nothing is better for tracking the status of a project than a Kanban board. And the Kanban board in Teamhood is built especially for engineering teams and managing complex projects. The child process visualization is the unique feature of Teamhood. Here you can clearly see what happens to both parent and child items, and you can track them through separate processes. While the item cards in Teamhood are a wonderful place for collaboration. Attach documents, write notes, add comments, or discuss solutions. All information related to the task is in one place and easily found when needed. Teams that seek to improve their performance must measure it. For this, Teamhood has a built-in time tracking feature. You can track time just by starting a timer in the task details. It takes a little effort at first, but delivers valuable information to the business on how to improve performance, estimation, and planning. You can see all of the track time in the timesheet report. It shows you the difference between estimated and real time needed for the tasks, allowing managers to analyze and improve estimation precision, as well as building more realistic plans that meet customer expectations. In the Agile Metrics report, you will get suggestions on team performance KPIs and improvements. This is done by monitoring the average time to complete tasks and how long they stay in progress. Coming from the Agile world, this allows to evaluate teams' effectiveness and what should be done to improve it.